Hi, my name is Marin and I'm here to show you how to do the half moon pose. So we're going to place both feet firmly together. You want to center your weight in between your toes and your heels. You're going to inhale as you raise your arms up, looking up. You're going to clasp your hands at the top of your head. Bring your head back to neutral as you squeeze your arms to your head, pulling your fingertips up towards the sky, but then you're going to set your shoulders down at the same time. Keep those hips in line with the spine and then push them out to one side as you begin to lean to the other. You really want to make sure that your neck and your chest stay open and your shoulders stay back. And you just want to push into this as far as you can and breathe deeply. When you're done, exhale, come to the center, and don't forget to do the other side.